Before you even start watching this video, let me tell you that this is my first time doing this. I've never done it before, so do not laugh, just watch and tell me if I did well or not. So it was my son's birthday and I decided to try a different thing entirely. I wanted to make a fruit cake for him, something unique, like something different from what they always have. So I decided to go to the market to get some fruits, and honestly I'm just so tired here because I came from night shift. I came back and because I just want to put a smile on his face, I decided to do this. So that's me. If you see me munching some things there, that's because I'm hungry and I've not had anything to eat. So that was it. I just saw this. I've seen a video of this severally on YouTube videos and all that, but I wasn't watching while doing this. I just wanted to create something on my own. And guys, I had the help of my sister all through. She came to assist me, but she did most of eating instead of helping anyways. So this is me. I was able to arrange the watermelon and the pineapple, and then trying to dress it up with strawberries and then some of the grapes. And guys, I finished, and then it was time to design, and with the help of this toothpick I was given a series of designs, just trying anything that comes to my mind. That was what I was actually doing. And honestly, when my son saw this, he was very happy. I'm so glad I was able to put a smile on his face. My sister was busy telling me what to do. Put it here, don't put it there. Then at a point I told her, you need to join me in this. And then she joined me. We were designing together. They say 2 heads is better than one. So we decided to start, and then we were creating this. And then even without looking at anything, to make the work faster, I decided to tell her, put in the toothpicks. While at it, I'll be putting the grapes. Then I felt it's gonna be dangerous, so I started collecting from her while I was designing. And we did a good job, honestly, if you ask me. And do you know what? These fruits got finished that same day. Like, the birthday boy himself almost had half of it. I'm glad everybody was able to eat something different, and they all loved it. My little one was already asking, Mom, on my birthday, are you gonna do this as well? I promise to make it better than this. Or probably maybe because the fruit I got, that the watermelon wasn't big, I felt that's why. But anyways, I still tried my best and just gave it any design that was coming to my mind. And guys, just wait until you see the end result of this fruit cake. Honestly, it was so beautiful. Just wait, watch and see the end. We never planned to add orange to this design, but when we saw what it was giving, we just wanted to make it a bit more beautiful than what we had. And thank God I had some oranges in the fridge, so I took them and then sliced them into half, just to give it a bit a different look entirely, you know. And I'm glad I did, actually. It was so lovely. So I'm just gonna leave you to watch how I'm able to design this beautiful fruit cake, just in case you want to do something like this as well. Enjoy the video, and please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and do not forget